So the next enterogesterone, the digestive hormone that we're going to talk about is called cholecystokinin, or CCK. Cholecystokinin is stimulated by fatty acid and amino acid, meaning that when you have when the chyme is being emptied to the small intestine, the chyme has fatty acid, amino acid. That means you have food or nutrient in the small intestine. Then you have cholecystokinin is being secreted, and then small intestine secretes cholecystokinin, and then you will travel through the blood to go to pancreas to induce a pancreatic enzyme to secrete for the secretion of that, and then the pancreatic enzyme will be secreted to the small intestine to help the digestion of fat and protein. So this is you can see that it's very reasonable, a logical pathway. You have the fatty acid and amino acid to stimulate the secretion of cholecystokinin from the small intestine, and then it will tell the pancreas to secrete enzyme to help to digest the protein and fat. And not only that, cholecystokinin can also tell the gallbladder to contract. When gallbladder contract, it will squeeze or pump the bile into the common bile duct, and then the bile can go into the duodenum. As we talked about in the previous video, bile is for emulsification, meaning that it can break down large oil droplet into small oil droplets so that it increases the surface area for the enzyme lipase to digest it. Another function of cholecystokinin is that it can relax the sphincter of Oddi. Sphincter of Oddi is the muscle that controls the opening of the bile duct. And when it relaxes, then the bile can go to the duodenum. So it's basically another function of cholecystokinin is to increase the secretion of, not the secretion, increase the flow of bile into duodenum.